The R8 is Audi's top model and has a V10 engine of 602 horsepower, situated just behind its two-seat cabin. It can be said that it shares some aspects with the Lamborghini Huracan, but is not as stylish. Anyone seeking to use a supercar daily might find that the R8 is just suitable for their needs. The interior of the Audi R8 is minimalistic, and its infotainment functions depend on a digital gauge cluster. But anyone who drives an R8 will likely have fun. What is new in the Audi R8 for 2022? The base coupe and the Spider convertible have been upgraded to 30 horsepower for 2022. Now, the V10 is capable of making 560 horsepower. The coupe and the Spider can be purchased with a sport exhaust package and a dynamic one. The active package includes ceramic brakes, 20-inch wheels, and racing seats with upholstery made with Nappa leather. Selecting between the standard and the performance models can be a tough choice. In one aspect, the 562 horsepower V10 gives an incredible acceleration as a 602 horsepower one. But driving and owning the ultimate R8 might feel just a bit cooler. The R8's engine and performance. The V10 engine of the R8 is offered in two capacities, both having the power to drive one deaf for a moment, with their exhalations seeming like sounds from another dimension. But it must be said that the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox of the R8 is not very smooth. Sometimes it downshifts suddenly, resulting in sudden acceleration and an upshift that happens right away. The base R8 includes the adaptive suspension. On the other hand, the performance models have a fixer damper setup. Both of these absorb the effects of bumps quite well and allow for a smooth ride that makes long trips seem less bothersome than they could be. But there is a drawback when the R8 is in full attack mode. It is not as capable of handling corners and its competitors, and gives off something unsettling effect than one could expect to form care like the Audi R8. Meanwhile, the standard steering setup is quite direct and provides information about the road. The Audi R8 Quattro is a one-of-a-kind rear-wheel drive car, but can deliver 100% torque to the front axle if required. The R8's interior, comfort, and cargo. The R8 has managed to combine both minimalism and luxury in one vehicle. The instrument cluster, which doubles as the infotainment screen, gives a revolutionary layout and lets the artistically designed sport seats and the digital gauge with a high-resolution digital display that takes a spotlight of the cockpit of the R8. The Audi R8 also allows for flexibility and customization, as it comes with a variety of colors and textures such as black, gray, brown, and red, which is either flat or quilted. The cockpit is beautifully designed with controls that are easy to reach. This includes the ignition button that can be found on the steering wheel. The real reason behind someone purchasing a supercar is not practicality, and it's more about the performance than the comfort. Therefore, the R8 doesn't offer good capacity for cargo. The Audi R8 is believed to be inspired by past classic racing cars. The cabin includes a monoposto design for its cockpit. The R8 infotainment and connectivity. The virtual cockpit gauge cluster displays both instrumentations and the MMI infotainment system. This gives off a whole out-of-this-earth feeling. The navigation is a standard high resolution and can use voice commands to control the system. It can also be controlled with the buttons mounted on the steering wheel or the click wheel. There is also a standard G LTE Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto capability. The MMI Touch allows handwriting recognition tech, which gives the driver the ability to write the entry without selecting any letters and numbers, and therefore navigate efficiently using maps by just moving the finger about the touchpad. Audio Connect also uses fully integrated assistance tools, including intelligent navigation and remote vehicle services, car finder, and roadside assistance. The Bang & Olufsen sound system allows 13 speakers to be active and our well-placed subwoofer inside the chamber in the front wheel. This results in a 550-watt sound. The Safety and Driver Assistance features of the R8. It can be said that the Audi R8 has only a few driver assistance features, but the R8 Coupe has airbags included. Some safety features include standard automatic high beams and front and rear parking sensors. The Audi R8's warranty and maintenance coverage. The Audi R8 has equal or exceeding warranty coverage compared to most rivals. The limited warranty covers 4 years, that is 50,000 miles, and the powertrain also covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. It doesn't offer any scheduled maintenance sessions. The Audi R8 brings a racing-inspired performance with an almost unparalleled style. With its range of exciting features and facilities, this will be the right choice for a supercar fan who also wants to use their supercar regularly. The elegance and high performance make this car the right choice for someone who loves performance. The Audi R8 brings together innovation and features that have evolved across generations to deliver a vehicle that suits the needs of those living life in modern times. There are options to tailor the R8, and it offers a chance for those who are willing to invest in a car like any other, because they will get to choose how their vehicle looks by having the option to add a personal touch to their vehicle. Audi R8 is not just another supercar, but a supercar with a lot to offer to its owners.